Hey guys, back. Yeah, so I have no idea how many episodes this is going to be. I don't know if I should post them like all at one, like episode 1, episode 2, episode 3, or I don't know if I should post them one at a time. I'll probably post them one at a time.
May as well just finish it off.
it up for a good price. I'm enjoying it. You know, it's starting to die, this quad. I'm just going to keep beating it. Even if I have to part it out, you know. Gas station. Which way should I exit? I could go. Yeah, I'll exit this way because the other way has a gate down, and I don't want to run over a little metal gate. I've been watching so much One Pug, like, I don't know, I've been having a lot of spare time lately, like I come home from work, and I watch One Pug, and freaking, it's really getting to me, like, fucking, I can't stop saying, how you doing? He's fucking hilarious, One Pug. Beg my pardon. Again, guys.